my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you what I got from the Dollar Tree. But before we get started, I have something to share with you guys. It's snowing! So nice and it's so beautiful. Yeah, I really love it. It's so white. It looks like crystals. It's so nice. So now I'm going to show you guys what I got from the Dollar Tree. So first I got these Hello Kitty 48 pack of Valentine's Day, because for my class we were celebrating Valentine's, so I got these, and it says include 48 heart seals. So right now I'm going to unbox these. Oh wow, look at the cards. Looks like you have to cut them out. And these looks like are the heart stickers. It says it's gonna include. Yeah, I wonder if this is 48. Oh well. Yeah, that's those two for this kit. And you can actually write to and from, and these are all the 8 designs that come from this pack. So look, I love it. These are so nice. Oh, wow. So colorful. I love these. And here is more. We have more coming. Awesome. Whoa, these are a lot. Look, that's nice. All of those are the cards. Now I better get this cleaned up. Such a nice quality. I didn't expect this for $1. So wow, these are so cool. And actually, I think I have leftover for next year too. I don't have to buy Valentine's. This is so nice for $1. You can get lots of Valentine's, and you don't have to buy Valentine's next year too. So that is a benefit that with these cards. So I really like these heart stickers that I include with too. I got these Valentine's Day pencils to go with the cards. So I thought these would be fun to just stick them, and this will be a nice treat. So look at all the designs. They're so colorful. I just love these, and I love cute pencils. So I'm sure my class will love them too. And next, I actually got this little ring toss. The headband ring toss. For the unicorn. So it looks like you wear it. It comes with a headband. You wear that, and then you have to try to put them into the horn. Let's get this open and see if it works. It comes like this, and you can just tie this in these 2 lines. And here are the 3 ones that you have to throw at the pointy part. Like this. And then but after this is fixed, you have to put it on your headband, and then someone tries to throw it. So this is a really fun game, and I love unicorns, so I thought this would be perfect. And this is it's so nice for just $1. I didn't expect this. So love that. Next, I got these bunny crayons. The bunny is my favorite animal, and these are so cute. Like, at the Dollar Tree, they already got their Easter stuff, so this is one of the Easter stuff that I got. So they look at all the colors, and this is like so nice. So nice for $1. You get like an animal-shaped crayons. Let's open this. Look at all of these little crayons. Let's test them out. Wonderful. We have other colors. It's just all of them. Let's try to color. Ooh, the green works perfect. So I just love these crayons, and these are so cute. So these are perfect for any art projects or anything. These are so cute. So next I got this paint set. I love art, so I thought why this would be perfect. So it comes with a paintbrush and it comes with all of the colors and you can just paint. So let's open it. So let's peel this. Okay, so here is the brush that it's included in. You can take this off. And now it comes with a little brush, storing. You put your brush here, and whenever you want you paint, you have everything nearby. So it's just nice to paint. I love this kit. Next, I got this kit where you can make this. Where you can like stick it on, and then you can make something like this. So nice. Subscribe to my channel, like and share, and give a huge thumbs up.